for tuning in to Sonora and Scale Studios. If this is your first time visiting the channel, as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and help us grow. Looking at the WL Toys 144001, a fan favorite. For good reason. It's cheap, it's easy to come by, it's ready to run, all inclusive out of the box. I've reviewed it before on this channel. You can check that out. It's available in the reviews playlist, and I've been putting it through the paces at home here. Periodically, it's been really hot here, so the bashers kind of take a back seat until the fall weather rolls in. It can get a little bit of sporadic running here and there, but not a ton. I mean, the temperatures are 115, give or take, every day for the last 2.5, 3 weeks now. So really, it's not that big of an option. It's more of a crawling time of year, and even that is early morning. But with that said, I have gotten to use this a fair amount over the last several weeks, and maybe even into last month and a half of owning it, since originally unboxing it, and I've broken some stuff on it, but the parts are finally in. So this is a pretty straightforward repair. I've had multiple issues with the front steering knuckles on this model. They're just kind of the weak spot, and am finally getting the opportunity to upgrade them to an alloy version. I'll put a link in the description down below. They're very inexpensive. I got these off of Amazon. They're machined very nicely. They come with a replacement set of bushings and bearings. Everything fits together really precise, really tight. It seems very well made. I'm very happy with them so far, and I believe that these are really going to last, and they are going to be a lasting solution to that problem. This car is really great, guys. If you don't have one already, it does live up to the hype. It's not going to break any records on the track, but it's not going to break the bank either. It's a lot of fun and very little cost. Worth checking out.